Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about sets in Python. Set in Python is another type of data type which is represented by curly braces, same as the dictionary. In my previous videos, we have already discussed about dictionary concept and how to create the dictionary. The dictionaries are created by curly brackets. Inside the curly brackets, the elements are separated by commas. Okay. Inside that elements are the key value pair. Key value pair. That is the creation of the dictionary. So now here we are going to discuss about the set. Set is also created by the curly brackets. Inside the curly brackets, there is no key value pair. Only represents the values are the elements. That values are the elements are separated by the commas. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. A set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. A set is an unordered collections data type that is iterable, mutable, and, and has no duplicate elements. Okay, set items are the unordered, unchangeable, unindexed, and not allow duplicate values. So not allow duplicate values mean uh, unordered items. So unordered items means in a set don't have a defined order. Don't have a defined order. Suppose for example, first I will create the set. Creating the set. Set is equal inside the curly brackets. Now we are the unordered items 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma sequence of the characters is represented inside the quotation. So this is the given set. Okay, so is the print function. Print of, call that variable. Now where that variable is set. The set is created here, set variable. So print of that variable. Okay, so what is the, now here the set is 0 1 2 and output of the given set is 0 1 2 3 4 5 ss python ptsp. Okay, the python set is unordered. This is the meaning of the unordered. So don't have a defined order. So this is the defined order, so not displayed in the same order. This is another order, so that is unordered. And Python sets are unchangeable. So unchangeable means first create the set. So I will take the same set. Uh, Unchangeable. So now I will create the one more element, one more value to the given set. So using the index method, set of, set of 4. Okay, inside the square bracket 4. So now here I will add that element is PDC. So in the fourth position, I will add PDC element. Fourth position means this is the 0th position, first position, second position, third position. And after the element 3, I will add PDC. Okay, I will try it. This element is added or not. Okay, so type error. It displays type error. So what is the type error? Set object does not support item assignment. That means Python set is an Python set is an unchangeable. It means that once the set can be created, after creating the set, we can't change the items. Next, Python set is unindexed. Unindexed means first create the set. I will take the same example. Set, this is the given set. Indexed. How to find out the index element? accessing of the indexing elements using square brackets. So inside the square brackets, mentioning the index portion, zeroth portion, first portion, second portion, like that. Okay. Now here, so set inside the square bracket, I mentioned fourth portion. So fourth position mean now at the fourth position, what is the element? Zeroth position, first position, second position, third position, fourth position is SS element is there. So I will observe this element. So set of four, what you can observe? Type error. Set object is not scriptable. So that means Python set is unindexed. Don't find out the indexing values in set. That is the unindexed in Python. And Python set items not allow duplicate values. So not allow duplicate values mean, suppose for example, I will create the set. Set is equal to 1 comma ss comma 2 comma 3 comma 0 comma ss comma ptsp comma python. So this is the given set. So now where the ss element is repeated two times, ss element is repeated two times. So using the print function, print of set, okay, and output of the given set using the print function, ss element is observed only one time. So in the given set, ss element is repeated two times, and the output of the given set, ss element is displayed only one time. So this means the Python sets don't allow duplicate values. Okay, set cannot have two items with the same value. So that is the meaning of the set items are unordered, unchangeable, unindexed, and don't allow duplicate values.